bureau जो है, is it in this country?
My lord, it was required to make reports, and those reports were placed before Parliament, and it was placed under a ministry. Firstly it was Interior, then thereafter it was Law. So the doctrine of ministerial responsibility comes in, but that's about it.
So it is not answerable to anybody.
इस पे असिस्ट जरूर कर दीजिएगा. ये जो माय लॉर्ड ने क्वेश्चन रेज किया, आपने सोच लीजिएगा, लेकिन ये सोचें, corruption is a problem. NAB has completely failed. It has consistently been used for political engineering. What is the solution? I mean, the parliament is supreme, and now you see if they make amendments to at least जो wrongs हुई हैं उनको ठीक करने के लिए, is that sufficient? I don't know. I mean, it's for
Lord,
the Parliament to see.
Then yes, otherwise we go again into the legislative and policy domain. My lord, your lordship's observation, section 33D of NAB requires them to submit annual reports to Parliament.
Simply submission of
Yes,
report does not mean that they are under anybody.
And
But actually they are, I don't know, they are under whom? Under whose?
under the
Controlling them.
under the rules of business, they are under the Ministry of Law.
इसमें एक और to put it, you see, someone who had been wrongfully detained, and that person for a year or 2 years or 3 years, because of the law laid down by this court as well, an innocent person who could not get relief and the freedom, you see, and he remained incarcerated. Ultimately, when he's found to be innocent, can he sue NAB? ये भी सोच लीजिएगा.
The tort of malicious prosecution is there.
Article 212 पे
जी सर, वो ट्राइब्यूनल कोई नहीं है, लेकिन
नहीं, I mean, I don't know, in my note I've held
I know
that they can still prosecute you. See.
yes. Even under the civil law, the tort, the remedy in tort is there, but nobody really pursues it, and there are other reasons for that.
वो कहते हैं जान छूट गई, अब क्या पीछे पड़ना है कि फिर कोई और मसला निकाल.
We are too well mannered to sue the government and tort.
बहुत सारी स्टेटमेंट्स आई हैं रिगार्डिंग नैब, ठीक है. अगर आप हमें कहा है कि सेक्शन 33D का भी तस्करा हुआ है कि आपको रिपोर्ट देना होती है, अगर आप हमें एक पेन पिक्चर सिर्फ अगर दे दें, फाइल कर दें कंसाइज स्टेटमेंट. माय लॉर्ड हैज आल्सो रेज्ड अ नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कि एवरी ईयर आपके इदारे पे पैसे कितने खर्च होते हैं, आपकी रिकवरी कितनी होती है, ठीक है, और ये पैसे जाते कहाँ हैं,
आपका शेयर उसमें
ये आपको मिलते हैं या फेडरल एक्सचेकर में जाते हैं, ठीक है. ये आप एक कंसाइज स्टेटमेंट, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू कंडेम यू विदाउट हियरिंग योर वर्जन एट ऑल. सो ये आपको मौका दे रहे हैं कि ये आप बुनियादी बातें हमें बता दीजिए, ठीक है, लिख कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है. The other, Mr. Farooq Naik, do you want to add to the submissions? Any
NAB say, NAB kindly
FIA, money, banks, income tax, companies. Does the NAB ordinance blur the distinction, or there is no distinction, or is it permissible to legislate? I don't know if this has been I don't think this has been considered.
No, it has
maybe not be the question in this matter. Was it considered in Asfandyar Wali? You recollect?
In Asfandyar Wali, my lord,
understood the question?
There was, yes, my lord, there was some discussion, but eventually the lordships pointed out that while they upheld the law, they also laid down a number of safeguards which...
No, I'm talking about the federal and the provincial scope of a law.
Yes, my lord.